No, kuya, tumalon doon.
Pwede kayo maligo doon sa
Ah,
Pag-usapan na.
paano, ano yun to? Palaki.
mangrove.
What's up, guys? Today, we're here in San Fabian.
Ano yan?
Say what's up to my vlog.
What's up, man? Hey, mga bishi!
Jefferson, sinasabi ko sa'yo. Halika na. Sama ka na, dito ka na.
Jefferson. Yan na pala yung idea.
Dito sila nagpi-picture taking.
Hello guys, andito pala kami sa ano. Nasa dulo kami ng Kalawakan.
At ako'y ano, ang daming tao doon, no?
Dumas tayo doon na. Sa bungad.
Sa?
Doon yun na yun ay.
Ano?
Doon yun na doon ay.
Hey guys! Hi! So today we are here at El Marie Beach Resort San Fabian. It's so nice. There. Walang katao-tao. So today is a Sunday. Go dun sa side na yung maraming tao. So this is El Marie Beach Resort. There you go.
Nakarelit na ako sa mga nag-beach.
Ang ganda, di ba? So these are the cottages.
Kulang talaga yung isang muitot eh. Comfort card ata.
Kulang yan?
Ito comfort card, isa lang yung muito mo.
Hi, Ma!
Hi,
Relax mode ka ngayon.
relax mode. Welcome to El Marie
Beach Resort.
Beach Resort.
San Fabian. So this is their restaurant.
Nadilus.
This is their pool. Wait lang. Okay, so they have a shower area here. So you can take a shower bago pumunta sa loob. So welcome to the resort itself. Okay, so this is your pool area. As you can see, it's so clean. Malinis. Well maintained. Hindi siya mamantika. So from the pool, you can see the view of the beach. There are there. There you go. So ang aesthetic ng vibes. It's very near. And San Fabian lang to guys. So this is so near. There's the pool. Diba? Mayroon pa silang pa-waterfall effect. Okay, there you go. So, these are the rooms. This beach view room. I think, mas mahal. Mahal yung mga rooms dito sa part na to. Ayan. Meron siyang pa-grass. Meron siyang there. So, going here. Ito yung mga rooms nila. Ayan. So, I'll show you our room. So, this is our room. There you go. So, this is double deluxe. When you enter, this is the comfort room. Ayan. Wow. Including amenities. There. May shower, heated shower, toilet. Yan. And then, this is the bed. Super comfy ng bed. May side table, aircon. And then, you have a full body mirror. Meron din silang kettle, complimentary, water, tissue. So this is and then may iba pa silang room dito at sa taas. Okay. Doon naman yung kanilang kasitas. Ang cute kasi may paupuan pa dyan. Okay, so this is where their kasitas are. So, a few steps away from the beach. Dito din yung parking nila. Wide parking. So, wala kayong magiging problema sa parking. Okay. And then, so this is our casitas. Okay. So, this is, meron pa silang lounge area dito sa casita. There you go. This is the room. This is good for 6. This has 6 double beds. This is Casita 1. Nakalock siya. Later I'll show you. Meron pa silang drying rack for your towels. And this is Casita 3. There you go. Hi, Tess.
Ay po.
As a vlogger, ang atake natin. Okay, so double beds, clean sheets, bagong gawa. There you go. So, dito, ganun din, may aircon, malamig, at bagong gawa siya. Amoy bago talaga. Yan. Kasi ito yung TV, may kettle, may toothbrush, so double bed, and then clean towels, may TV, smart TV, may wifi din. Sobrang linis ng towels nila. And then there you go, sarili nilang heated toilet and bath. There. Okay. So, ang sarap ng bed nila, no?
Kaya nga po.
Din, parang ayaw mo nang lumabas. Okay, so, and ang maganda pa dito, meron din silang toilet dito. Ayan, sa tabi. There. So, this is the entrance. Dito kayo papapasukin. There. Okay, there you go. So, ganyan ang itsura ng kasitas nila na magkatabi. This is, this is casita 4 and 3. So for casita 4, 2 double beds, pero you can add extra bed. Casita 3 is 3 double beds sa casita 4, can fit up to 6 packs, pero you can add another person. Casita 3, add ka na lang ng double ng bed mattress. Casita 3 is good for, has 2 double beds. So, yeah. There they are.
Zumba?
Ha? Oo, nag-zoom pa.
Paano?
Ito, ilolong press mo. There you go. So, yun. Ganyan siya. Medyo malayo pa, pero pwede na. So, yun lang guys. We are going to enjoy.
Magluto na kayo, Titi.
Maluto na kami. Bye! See you
Ako!
later!